Hi everybody, it's Dan and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making a delicious, super quick, super easy pineapple cherry crisp dump cake. It's going to be made with cherry pie filling, crushed pineapple, a little sprinkle of butter for a simple dessert recipe that hits all the delicious high notes. I'll be sure to throw a link to the recipe down below in the description. And stay tuned at the end of the video for more information about my KitchenAid stand mixer giveaway. And if you're new in my kitchen, don't forget to click subscribe down below and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. Now go ahead, preheat your oven to 350 degrees and let's get started on the easiest, most delicious, oh so good cake you are ever gonna make. Now just like the name suggests, this is a dump cake. So all we're gonna be doing is just dumping in our ingredients to our pan and tossing in the oven. Like I said, super easy. So first up, we're going to go ahead and add in our layer of crushed pineapple. And then our cherry pie filling. Then we're going to go ahead and sprinkle on our flour. Our chopped walnuts. And lastly, we're going to top with our butter. And just like that, in a couple of quick, easy steps, we have our pineapple cherry crisp. Now let's go ahead, pop our pan in the oven and let bake for 1 full hour. So our pineapple cherry crisp cake has fully baked. I let it cool for about 5-10 minutes. But once you have yours cooled, you can slice into it and have a slice of a delicious, easiest dessert you will ever make with a nice layer of pineapple, cherry, crushed walnuts, delicious butter, pretty much scrumptious awesomeness on a plate or on top of vanilla ice cream or for breakfast. It's pretty much an all day, all year round, oh so good, oh so easy, super simple. I can just highlight that, bold that, super simple, delicious, quite essential, need to have it in your back pocket dessert. It's just really easy and it's so good. Well, thank you all for stopping by. I had so much fun making this really quick, super easy dessert. Who doesn't love them? It's definitely a recipe you should have in your back pocket. And if you're a fan of super easy desserts, or if you've had dump cakes before, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Helps me out, lets me know I'm baking up recipes you all like, you enjoy, and you want to see more of. And if you want even more tasty recipes, don't forget to click subscribe down below and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video, so you don't miss out on any more yummy, tasty, quick, super easy, oh so delicious desserts. Plus, I still have 20 KitchenAid stand mixers to give away. So if you haven't already, be sure to enter it down below. Once you enter the giveaway, you'll have 20 chances to win and lots of ways to enter. Lastly, don't forget, if you make your own delicious dump cake, definitely give a tag on Instagram. Let me see what you're baking up in your kitchen. Alrighty, well I'm gonna go. I'm gonna grab a big cup of coffee. I'm gonna grab 2 slices of this pineapple cherry crisp with some vanilla ice cream and enjoy the day. I hope you all get a chance to do the same. And as always, I will see you all in the next video very soon. Bye.